Hey guys, it's me Narelle here and welcome back to a new video. As you can see, I have a lovely brown package sitting before me and it's from Shop Usa-chan. And if you guys don't know who this is, it's actually Nautica's shop. She rebranded herself on Instagram and her shop, so that's her shop name. So I will put her links down below if you want to catch up with all of her new stuff and all that good stuff. But you may be wondering, Narelle, why do you have another package from Nautica when it's been like, I guess, 2 weeks after she killed you the first time? Well, you guys Nautica, because I don't know, she legit shook me on the DM and said, yeah, Narelle, I'm sending you something else on your way. I'm just like, oh my gosh, why? She didn't give me time to breathe, to kind of heal, but I'm just like, okay. But she was lovely enough to tell me, Narelle, it's stickers, and I'm like, okay, I'm good with that. I'm gonna go ahead and get this open. Oof. I'm always scared of ripping these envelopes because I don't know about you guys. In Nautica, like, I forever love these envelopes. I don't really say them enough. I don't say it enough, but I really do love these envelopes. Like, where do you get them from? Because they look so freaking good. So right here, I guess, is the note right here. Sticker spam part 1. Enjoy it, baby. Oh, Nautica. Like, this is how you can tell my friends really don't love me. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Whew. Get yourself together, Nightbrow. Okay. All right. So I can feel them. I can feel them. All right. So I guess 1, 2, 3, go. I'll flip on the back side because I don't want to ruin it for me. But okay, Nautica. I'm going to leave the note here so you guys can kind of expect another video of me dying more. So anyways, this is the first one. So, okay. So 1, 2, 3, go. It's the Bay Agnes. She is so flippin' adorable. I haven't seen her in a while. And I think this is my first sticker of her. I think I have like a print of Agnes, but this is my first sticker of the Bay. Yay. And here is the second one. I've been feeling this way up. But 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, it's what's her name? Something 202. I know she's from Darling and the Franxx. I just don't remember her name. But she is super adorable, man. I need to watch this show. A lot of people have second thoughts about it, but I'm like, you know what? I'm that person that supports anyway. But anyways, here's the third one. Oh my gosh. All right. So 1, 2, 3, go. It's the Miku. Look at that. I swear my new phone just does not focus long enough for you guys to see these details, man. But look how cute she is. And here's the fourth one. Oh my gosh, she gave me a lot, and I'm just like, Nautica, why? This probably is like part 1 and 2 put together. But yeah, 1, 2, 3, go. It's Rim and Rom from oh my gosh, I forgot the name of this anime. That's how you can tell I'm so behind in anime, but I know these characters because everyone draws them all the time. And the sad thing is I'm probably not going to use all these stickers. I'm probably not. All right, so 1, 2, 3, go. It's the Queen Nessa, guys. One of my friends actually showed me a picture of her, and he was like, yeah, that's my new wife. And I'm like, excuse me, Nessa is my freaking wife, man? Because look at her. Come on, phone. You gotta zoom in on the freaking wife. Nessa is so gorgeous, man. I'm legit so happy that I have a stick of her. Because she's legit my #1 wife right now. So the 6th one is 1, 2, 3. It's Nezuko. Is that her name? Nezuko? I don't know. I've not watched this anime. I know she's from Demon Slayer. I am good with that because that anime is super popular right now. But look at her. She is so cute. I have a feeling she's one of those cute looking characters that is deadly. So I'm pretty sure I'm right on that. But look how cute this is. It's so adorable. And the next one is, all right, Oof. It's Chibi Usagi or Mini Moon. I don't know, whatever you call her. It's Mini Moon. This is so cute. I'm just dying at all the cuteness here. Like, oh my gosh, guys, look at this. And the next one is it's Madoka. She's so cute. I'm like super happy that I can guess all of these because again, I'm so behind in everything. But look how cute this is. I feel like me doing this with my hands is the only way my phone would focus on her lovely items. But this is so cute. So cute. And this is the last one, I think. Yep, this is the last one. So 1, 2, 3, go. It's mommy. It is mommy, the babe. I have not seen the show, but mommy looks like the wife of the show. I swear she looks like a wife. So yes, these are all the stickers in which Nautica has sent me. I need to center it, so hold on. Alright, it's magically centered. But anyways, thank you so much, Nautica, for sending me all of these cute stickers. I don't even know how I'm going to use them because I feel guilty for using my friend's stickers because, oh, it's so cute. But, oh, so please just let this be part 2 as well. Because if you send me anything else, I'm just going to be like, goodbye, BuzzFeed. Anyways, again, thank you, Nautica, for all the love. I love you. And guys, please check her out. Again, all of her links will be in my description box below, so go check her out and comment what was your favorite sticker out of all of these, if you guys have a favorite. So yes, so again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video.